Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I shared a video earlier that was a part one of my Easter stash. The second part of my Easter stash is my home decor. So I don't know, I can't remember where I got everything, but a lot of it, majority of it would be from, I'll just list the stores. Walmart, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, and what was the other store? Family Dollar. So these table covers, they're kind of thicker. They're the ones, oh, not thicker, but they have that little cotton backing. Those are from Walmart. And then I'm just gonna slowly pull some of my Easter stuff out. I don't think I will be decorating for Easter, but I did still want to share my stash. So these are little wands that I made for my Easter decorations to put into my whatever floral arrangements and stuff. So this is one of them. It just fell out of the basket. I'm in my storage room right now, so I'm going to pull out my little floral arrangement. So that's what this looks like. And this came out of here somewhere. Whoops. Running to the ground. Sorry. Well, that's what my little floral arrangement looks like. This is a bag that I got from a gift. And I just kept the burlap bag as is. And I stuck in some floral foam in there so that I could press in my little flowers and my Easter eggs. This is the Easter egg, you know, the baby chick. These are from Dollar Tree. And then the arrangement itself, all the florals from it, these came all from Dollar Tree. So that's what that looks like. This ribbon is also from Dollar Tree. And okay, so the next thing I have in here, let's see, we've got some birds. These are from Walmart. And I've got some bows. These hang up on the ends of my garlands. So it's just a bunch of the burlap bows. And then the Easter eggs and the butterfly are all from Dollar Tree, even the ribbon. So there's one. Here's another one. It's all smashed up, of course, but we're going to refluff those very easily. Now, these are just the large Easter eggs that I bought last year from Walmart. And he looks like this. And I love the little speckles on the eggs. And it has a little hanging ribbon there. It's tied in a bow. All of this can just get easily refluffed. Okay, so this was from Easter, also on clearance from Walmart. I did not pay $2.88 for that. I paid like, gosh, it was the 90% off, so that's what that was. And then we have my Easter plate. This is what you put the eggs on, like deviled eggs. Look at those. This is from Family Dollar, or it's not Walmart, but they had similar items at the time I purchased those plates. So here's another birdie that I purchased from Walmart. All these things I got from Walmart are purchased on clearance, so I didn't buy any of them. That's just another Easter egg, the speckled gigantic egg. I purchased them on clearance because I don't like spending a lot of money on decor. El cheapo. So I made these little Easter egg garlands using the Dollar Tree Easter eggs, and you can just hang them with the ribbon right here. And I didn't do anything special to them. They already had the holes in it, and I just strung them on the ribbon. I have a few garlands, so there's a few in here, and have a ceramic Easter bunny from Walmart, again, on clearance. Again, let's see if I can get it out. Meanwhile, you can look at the other bunnies. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that cute little bunny, and it's purple. That's my bunny. You know what? After looking at my stash, I just might decorate. Who knows? So here is that DIY Easter egg that I created with the Dollar Tree Easter eggs. So this is one of the big Easter eggs from Dollar Tree, and I put some decoupage. I decoupaged some paper onto that. I added some ribbon. These 3 little baby chicks, they're from Walmart. They're just little table decoration. And then the very top is another Easter egg, just a half of it. And that's a cupcake pick, the little bunny rabbit. So it just sits on the table looking like that. And it's got the little grass from Dollar Tree with the butterfly. I mean, who knows? I might. Maybe, maybe not. Decorate. And then this little bundle of carrots, I believe, is from Target last year or a year ago. So I bought one bundle of that on clearance. And try to be careful because these little things that you see me moving out of the way are ceramic. Those are just the little knickknacks, dust collectors from Walmart, the 98-cent ceramic decorations. You put your egg in there. It's like a little egg cup. Well, anyway, I bought these last year. It's a little girl bunny right there, and you can fix the ears whichever position you want. But that's what the bunny looks like. And then I have this little bunny that I crocheted. It's just a square that's I crocheted, and you tie it up a certain way and it shapes into a bunny. And I made that little pom-pom tail for him, and I put a little purple bow around his neck. And no face. I didn't want to put a face on him. And here's more garland. I hung those garlands up on the windowsills. So here's my little boy, also from Walmart. He has a little bow on his neck and a carrot, just like the girl. You can change the ears, pose the ears. These are from Walmart also, and I just put a little twine ribbon around his neck. And this was supposed to be on his back, but it's all falling apart. See? Fell apart. But anyway, that is that. And here's the second one. That's what this one, whoops, sorry. That's what this one looks like. And they're both supposed to be holding those little rosettes with the Easter eggs on it. And I just made those out of scraps again, scrap papers. I'm using Walmart, those table scatters. This is a little cookie jar. I'm not going to open that. Here's more of my home decor banners. This one is from Target, when I used to live near Target. This is a Target. This is a DIY that I made. One side says Easter, the other side says spring. And then I have some signs in here. So Dollar Tree signs. And then I DIY'd this little guy. Somebody loves you. And I put some little hydrangea on the bottom and some little white flowers. And then I have some stickers, some window clings that I got from Walmart on clearance. And I only picked up 2. And then these are just some projects that my son made with my daughter. My son and my daughter made together when they were younger. And then this is another tag I picked up when it was on clearance. I did not pay $2.84. That's the regular price. I bought this one on clearance. So, yep. And that's it for this little basket. If I feel up to decorating, maybe I will do some decorating. And then the other container here, I just have more of the Easter eggs. These are little baskets I got from a friend, my best friend. Here's a little butterfly sign from Dollar Tree that I took apart. And then there's more Easter eggs. And these florals, they're just loose. I had them in a floral arrangement prior, but I took that apart. And that is it for my stash, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Now I gotta clean up my mess. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to set these up for Easter. So I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. And stay safe, everybody. Bye.